Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chloe if you are new to this YouTube channel. Obviously you're on YouTube. I didn't need to point that out. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing a tutorial for you guys today. It's going to be a voiceover though, so after this little intro you will be just seeing me do the look and not talking. Hopefully you guys like that. If you prefer talk-throughs or voiceovers, let me know in the comments. And yeah, so let's get started with the tutorial. Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing a voiceover, and I'm clearly very excited to show you how to do this Rainbow Ombre Graphic Liner. So we're taking the P. Louise base today and just patting that in with a MAC 242 brush. And then we're taking our e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush and patting the rest of the harsh edges in and just making sure there's no excess product. So we're taking the Morphe 35B and using the darkest purple shade. And then we're taking the next purple shade right above it. And then the hot pink shade. And while you're doing this, you kind of want to blend these all together. And then we're taking that violety pink shade and placing that right before, and then the lightest color is the light pink. So we're taking the original Jaclyn Hill palette and taking the shade Jada, and then going back into the Morphe 35B, we're taking the green, and then I placed the yellow right after that. Taking the P. Louise base again and cutting that crease just to make sure everything is very sharp and defined. Going above, doing the same thing I did before. Now to create the ombre liner, we're going to place the P. Louise base down and just do that same process but in winged liner form. Now cleaning that up with the same base that we used this whole time, just making sure it's very, very sharp. And cleaning up the excess product with a makeup wipe. Now I'm taking the Glam Me Out Glitter and just placing that on my inner corner and using the NYX Mixing Medium. Oh gosh, that glitter is so beautiful. Taking Roller Lash Mascara and just coating that on the lashes. And if you guys want a discount on that glitter, use code Chloeqmakeup. And now we're taking Baddie B lashes in Baddie. Oh, look at those. They're so pretty and curled, and oh, they're so beautiful. Now that the lashes are on, I'm going to go ahead and prep my skin. I'm going to tone, moisturize, and put on some eye cream to prep for all the products that are going to go on my face. Because, ladies, we do not want a nasty base. That is the key to your makeup looking flawless. That is the most important part, is skin. Fight me. Not really, though. I love you guys. Just a side note, if you guys struggle with your skin or feel very insecure about it, I suggest looking at Rocio's page. She is amazing, and I will place her ad up on the screen. Now we're using Born This Way concealer, the super full coverage, really, really nice long wearing concealer, and just placing that on the high points of our face and basically everywhere else. And when I say everywhere else, I mean everywhere, because we love coverage here, honey, and we love to make it look nice and fresh. I sounded like James Charles. I let it sit for a couple minutes to give it the maximum coverage. You don't have to do that. It's already very full coverage. Now I'm taking Huda Beauty's Pound Cake Easy Bake Powder. Wow, that was a mouthful. and Chocolate Soleil bronzer on the Jaclyn Hill Master Collection bronzer brush. Just brushing that all over the face to warm it up. And then spraying with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And spraying the brush as well, prepping for highlight. So now we're taking Gold Rush Blush by Benefit and popping that on the cheeks and between the bronzer and highlight. We're going to take all the colors that we have above the purple liner onto the lower lash line and smoke it out really nice. Now we're taking the Lila B face setting mist and spraying that all over, drenching and bathing in it. And then we're gonna have a little photo shoot and show off the look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, like, share, and subscribe, and comment what you want to see next. Bye!